before we get to this video, we lay down some push-ups. I'm completely out of shape and really tired and probably have no strength. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Somebody give me some water, bro. Holy shit. Alright, let's get into today's video. Alright boys, check it out. Okay, so the main issue is basically when you turn on the battery. Right now I have it unplugged for obvious reasons. The lights continue to stay on. The tail lights are literally lit up during the day. Right now you can't really see that issue, but when I plug it in right now, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're dealing with. Okay boys, so what I did is just hooked up the battery. You guys can see it's obviously off, right? There's no lights on, no lights on. But when you come down to the trunk, I opened the trunk and separated everything. You can see constant power, which that's gonna obviously drain my battery and is the main issue as to why we're here. So our issue, I haven't made YouTube videos in such a long time. I'm sorry for being a shitty creator at the moment. Let me get my mind right. Hold on. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Fix that issue. There it is. So right now I'm gonna do what every Honda guy does, is I'm gonna YouTube tips and see what people did to make this job a lot faster so I can recreate the video in a different way. So this guy has an Integra, very same issue that he's going through. So I'm gonna watch this as pro tips and you know, obviously learn and sum it up the way I learned. Well, the way we learned together, but you can YouTube this video or anybody, but if you're watching mine, appreciate you, guys. Okay, so I just watched the video and somehow this first guy said it was his fuse when he went under here. This fuse is supposed to be a 15A, this green one, that they put a 30 in there. And this is supposed to be a 15A fuse, so I don't know if randomly out of nowhere that causes the issue, but I should probably change that out anyway. So what we're gonna do is work on that, but I gotta go to AutoZone to get some fuses because I don't have any right on me. But we'll arrange for that to be the first setup, and then after that I think there's something behind the brake pedal that can also be it as well, but I'll continue watching and see what's up. Okay, so not only did we know that the fuse on the front is wrong, but the main issue down here actually is where the brake pedal is at. Oh, fuck, I hate that I can't get angles to you guys. Anyways, when you guys look straight up, you see the white clip right there? That is missing a bushing. So I'm gonna run to AutoZone real quick and go grab that replacement piece, and that basically is gonna turn it on or off. So let's go to AutoZone real quick. All right, the recording of this is for insurance purposes. Obviously, if she ruins my car right now, I'm absolutely taking her to court full on charges. So we'll see if she could put the car up. Look. Oh shit. Oh. It doesn't have, oh my God, it doesn't have assist. You're gonna rear end your car, we just fixed it. Don't worry, I believe in you, you got it. Come on. I promise you I'm just, all right, we'll lay him down. All right, boys, so I know I'm trying to fix my car right now, and I don't know how we ended up at Lowe's, but now we're here in the appliance section. It's killing time when we don't have time to be killing. Kind of like my clutch that you killed earlier. Yeah, now we're walking around the appliance aisles that we don't need to be at.
I did.
Now let's go.
Where are we going?
No. It's already on you, it's too late. All right, boys, we finally made it to AutoZone, and this is the piece that I need. Well, I actually saw it in a YouTube video, and that's how I found out. Look, I can't get zoomed into it. My camera's like not set up for it. Either way, I'm gonna put this on there just for the brake. All right, boys, so we went to AutoZone, handled that. Right now I'm letting the car run a little bit because the battery obviously was a little bit low since it's been doing all that funny business. So I'm letting it just kind of recharge for a moment. But I ended up picking up those things when you got some stuff to wash the cars anyways. So if anybody needs a detail, let me know because we're gonna start our business now. Just kidding. I figured that today would be a chill Saturday. So might as well wash the cars and give them some love, and on top of that, some good scent. So here's the thing again one more time. We're gonna put into the brake kit, and this is gonna help it basically work. Now let's go check and see if it fixed it. What the fuck? They're still on. So I'm absolutely like mind-boggled as to why it's not fixed. I watched on YouTube a couple other people were going through the same thing, but maybe it's because I'm not using this one that it needs this much bigger than the other one, I guess. Size matters. So I'm gonna swap it out and give it a shot. But first, got a little ice cream break, you know. Beautiful hot day today. Little McFlurry. Okay, boys, so it's been proven. Use the white one, don't use this one. Obviously you guys saw that the light was still on. Now look at it. When I turn them on, check it out. We got power, right? And now look when I turn it off. We are back to normal, boys. Fuck. All right, here we go. All right, thank you guys for enjoying that video. That is what we did to fix it. And then I still never replaced the fuse. I still left that 30 in there alone because it didn't have an issue before. So I guess I'm gonna kind of roll with it. But nonetheless, we got our bucket here, detailing products. $25 at AutoZone. If any detailing products anybody want to sponsor me, hook me up. I'll give you guys shout outs. No, I'm just playing. Nonetheless, let's get to the small cinematics. God, dude, I need to go to the gym. I'm fucking out of breath, bro. And let's clean these cars up. Let's do it. Well, you guys are probably gonna watch the ad of Armor All, so if you guys made it this far, if you guys can tag Armor All in the TikTok video or Instagram video I made, maybe your boy can get sponsored somewhere. I don't know. I'm just gonna show you guys washing the car real quick. All three of them. All right, boys, we were able to accomplish car number 1. Looking out here, looking sexy as a snack. Oh, fuck. Look at this. Whew. I forgot how much work goes into washing the car. So shout out to my boy Upscale Detailing for always keeping me clean. Just today I felt like getting a little dirty, you know? I gotta still, they're gonna fix my hood and stuff to get that clear coat. Fuck, I'm running out of breath, man. Sheesh. Just check it out. Looking sexy as fuck. I really love the front. Is my favorite part of this car. Look at that. Carbon fiber lip. Bam. Still waiting for that piece to get painted. Once that comes out, fuck, it's gonna be so much more pristine. I hate looking at it like that, but it is what it is for now. Sorry, boys, I had to give you guys one more shot of this. Just look at this. Look at how clean. Holy shit. Just had to give it one more look. Like, I just love staring at this car like this, bro. Like, this is so clean. If you guys watched the videos I just made about it, show it some love. But yeah, let's get to work now. I'm bullshitting too much. Okay, so I didn't do much recording because like I'm out of breath and real crazy, but I showed the SI some love today too. Finally all cleaned up, checked it out. I just gotta do the wheels and tires. That's like the Armor All and simple stuff, but we are all shined up and ready to go. I'm still out of breath, my arm hurts. Look at that, shiny fucker. Looking good, looking good. Alrighty, boys, so that's where we're gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it from the beginning to the end, thank you. If you have truly supported me from the start of all this, I'm pretty excited about all the news I'm gonna bring to you guys as we continue to work next week. It feels good to be doing car content again. I've been off the map a little bit, only because I'm putting things together, and that's kind of why I've been off the grid for a little bit. Or if you saw a change up of some things, if it bothers you, not. If not, then oh well, just watch it, right? That's what we do. So all you guys' questions and concerns will get answered soon. What a workout. Nonetheless, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.